Welcome to Mail Backup X. Top 5 Mail Backup X features for remote workers. The challenges of working remotely are amplified when it comes to email management. This video highlights the top 5 features of Mail Backup X that are specifically designed to help remote workers keep their emails safe, organized, and accessible, no matter where they are. Mail Backup X for remote workers, top 5 features you need. 1. Automatic email archiving. This feature allows for continuous backup of emails as they arrive, ensuring no important messages are lost due to accidental deletion or technical issues. Remote workers can focus on their tasks without worrying about manually backing up emails. 2. Flexible backup scheduling. Mail Backup X allows users to schedule backups at various intervals, daily, weekly, etc., or even in real time, making it adaptable to different work styles and schedules. 3. Direct restoration to live mailbox. This feature allows for easy and quick recovery of emails directly into the live mailbox. If a remote worker accidentally deletes an email or needs to access an older email, they can restore it directly without complex procedures. 4. Advanced search capability. Mail Backup X's powerful search feature allows users to quickly locate specific emails within their archived data. This is crucial for remote workers who need to retrieve information from past conversations or projects. 5. Archive to PDF. The ability to archive emails to PDF format allows for easy sharing and storage of important email communications. This is especially useful for creating records of important decisions or project updates for later reference or compliance purposes. Download free trial of Mail Backup X for macOS, Windows PC.